Hello students, today I will explain you principle of deliberation. In the section of making of constitution, principle of deliberation is very important. What is this principle of deliberation? To understand it, we have to understand the representative nature of our constitution. So, as India is a diverse country, it has full of diversity. So, at the time of making of constitution, our makers are tried to make it more representative, and they succeeded also. So to make it more representative, so they when the many section and people from different sections were the member of this constituent assembly, it was not easy to reach on common consensus. To for this it was needed that the every issue which become the part of which is going to become the part of the constitution, it should be well discussed in the constituent assembly. So that's why the principle of deliberation was needed कि जब भी मतलब कोई भी क्योंकि मैंने पिछले वीडियो में आप लोगों को बताया है कि देयर वाज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द अम्बेडकर एंड गांधी एंड पूना पैक्ट, ये सब भी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा. ऑन द इशू ऑफ oppressed class, there was also difference between the Jawaharlal Nehru and Rajendra Prasad. तो then इस difference को overcome तो करना है. To overcome these differences, it was very much needed that whatever become the parts of this constitution, that should be go through the process of deliberation, and this to make it more representative, it was needed. So that's why the principle of deliberation become the basis of Indian constitution, and the people from different section, they sit in the society, they discussed, and most of the matter which become the parts of our constitution was discussed many times, except one issue, that was the universal adult franchise. This issue was not discussed because every member of the constituent assembly, they were ready, but the issues like what should the relation between state and center, what should be the power of judiciary, what form of government we are going to adopt, all what will, how the constitution protect fundamental rights. So these were the question on which this member of society had different view. So for this they discussed, and as you know that, and here I want to mention one more thing, that the constitution of India or every constitution draw its authority from where? They draw its authority from the member of constituent, the people, and the constitution made for the reason of public. So ensure this public reason, because the constitution is not for the makers of the constitution. constitution किसके लिए था? जो बना रहे थे उनके लिए केवल थोड़ी ना था. constitution यह भारत की जनता के लिए था. तो भारत की जनता के लिए क्या अच्छा होगा, इसको कोई एक मेंबर डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते थे. तो whatever the issue which was brought by the different members, that should be need to discuss twice, thrice, or as many time as till a common consensus, till the members does not reach on a common consensus. Then the next question, that the very act of giving region to other makes you move away from simply a narrow consideration of your own interest. तो हमारे ओन कंसिड्रेशन से अलग हटकर ब्रॉड कंसेंसस पे आने के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि इट शुड बी क्रॉस विद द डिफरेंट व्यू, और उस डिफरेंट व्यू पे आने के लिए ये ज़रूरी था कि इट शुड बी पुट ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ असेंबली, डिस्कस्ड, डिबेटेड, डिस्कस्ड, एंड देन it becomes ready to be make the part of our constitution. So that's why the principle of deliberation was very important part of our constitution. Here I can say you that It is a tribute to public reason, as it was the best method. That these debates deserve to memorized as one of the most significant chapter in the history of constitution making, equal in the importance of the rest constitution of the world like the फ्रेंच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. तो इस प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डेलिब्रेशन के कारण हम ये मान सकते हैं कि भारत का जो संविधान था वो बहुत चर्चित हुआ और बहुत एक्सेप्टेबल हुआ, और आज तक ये उसी एक्सेप्टेंस को स्वीकार करते हुए हम देखते हैं कि ये आज तक उसी तरह से सफलता से बना हुआ है. देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज प्रोसीजर. मतलब प्रोसीजर का मतलब है कि एक तो हो गया ठीक है वो डेलिब्रेशन. अब है कि इतने सारे डिफरेंट मुद्दे थे, मेनी इशूज have to integrate to make a constitution more representative. The constitution have to take care of the every section of the society. It should have to plan about its development, its economy, the political form, the deprived section, and many other things. So for this, the Constituent Assembly has made 8 committees, and most of these committees was headed by जवाहरलाल नेहरू, राजेंद्र प्रसाद, सरदार वल्लभ पटेल, मौलाना आज़ाद and B.R. Ambedkar. So because again I am telling that the public reason जिसको कि मैंने अभी बताया, that was the more important, because the member of the committees have assigned with the different section कि who will see which committee and who will work on which committees and how they will find out the different matters which become the part of this committee. So in spite of differences they can come on the common consensus. And here I want to tell you that each committee usually drafted particular provisions of the constitution which were subjected to debate in the entire assembly. So जब इन सबको अपना अपना दे दिया गया, they work on their own topics, own matters, and after working they put it on the floor of Constituent Assembly. Usually an attempt was made to reach a consensus with the belief that provisions agreed by all. तो आम सामान्य तौर पर यही माना गया कि जब सभी लोग एक सहमत हो जाएंगे then it will become the part of our constitution. So some particular interest, some provisions have becomes a matter of differences also. There was discussion they and some matters were subjected to vote also. मतलब जब हम केवल वाद विवाद से कॉमन कंसेंसस पे नहीं आया तो उस पर वोटिंग भी की गई, और कुछ मुद्दे जो ज़्यादा विवादित हुए उनको वोट के द्वारा सॉल्व करने की कोशिश की गई. बट इन ईच इंस्टेंस एवरी सिंगल आर्गूमेंट, क्वेरी और कंसर्न वाज रिस्पॉन्डेड विद द ग्रेट केयर. वाई? बिकॉज caring was very much necessary, because it was not a constitution of one person or a small countries. It was a constitution for a country which have large members, which have large diversity. The main thing when we are talking about India, whenever we talks about India, India is a land of diversity, and due to satisfaction of this diversity, it was very much necessary that our makers of the constitution work very with a ग्रेट कंसर्न. अदरवाइज़ ये बहुत मुश्किल होता कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को जो है इतने दिनों के बाद भी हम लोग इतना सक्सेसफुल होते देख सकते थे. तो दैट्स वाई आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैड मोर देन 160 मीटिंग्स, और बहुत इतने मीटिंग्स 2 साल 11 महीने के बाद इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को पूरा किया गया. और साथ ही साथ वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू कि द मेकर्स ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दे वे हैड लेगेसी ऑफ नेशनल मूवमेंट. मतलब ये जो हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली था वो उन लोगों के द्वारा बनाया गया था जो पूरी तरह से क्या थे, हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे. तो दैट्स वाई द पीपल हैव अ ग्रेट ट्रस्ट इन these members, and people their feelings of that commonness or the feelings of the our India was enshrined also in the making of constitution. The principles were forged during the long struggle of the freedom become the part of the constitution. It means that when they were fighting for the struggle, they faced many difficulties and they found many weaknesses. So they tried to eradicate those differences when they are making our constitution. So we can say that the constitution took a long time, and it was a great legacy of those leaders who become the part of our constituent assembly, who fight or who struggled a lot during the national movements. So the best summary of the principle that the nationalist movement brought to the constituent assembly was the objective resolution also. So objective resolution was put in the constitution and it moved by Nehru in 1946, and this resolution encapsulated the aspiration and values behind the constitution. So that's by this way our maker of the constitution, they tried to make our constitution more meaningful and more useful for the people of the India. And here I also want to tell you that our makers go through the many constitution of the world, and they taken many things from the other constitution of the world also. So by this way they try to make our constitution more representative, more people friendly, and more popular. That's all.